Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic. How to withdraw your Litecoin from Binance straight to your MetaMask wallet in 2025. Whether you're building your crypto portfolio or just cashing out, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and secure. Let's dive right in. First things first, before we get started, make sure you have a few essentials in place. You'll need a verified Binance account with some Litecoin in it, and a MetaMask wallet set up on your browser or mobile app. Also, double-check that your MetaMask is connected to the correct network. Litecoin uses the Litecoin network, so ensure that's selected to avoid any transaction hiccups. Alright, Step 1. Log into your Binance account and head over to the Wallet section. From there, click on Withdraw. This is where the magic happens. Next, search for Litecoin in the asset list and select it. You'll see a form pop up. Here's where you enter your MetaMask wallet address. Pro tip: always copy and paste your address directly from MetaMask to prevent any typos that could send your coins into the void. Step 3. Specify the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, Binance might charge a small fee, so check that first to ensure you're not withdrawing too little. Once you've entered the details, review everything carefully. Double-check the network, address, and amount. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a verification code sent to your email or phone. Enter that, and bam! Your withdrawal is processing. Now, depending on network congestion, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. Once it's done, hop over to your MetaMask app and refresh. It should show up in your wallet. Always keep an eye on transaction fees and security. In 2025, with more advanced blockchain tech, things are faster, but scams are still out there, so stay vigilant. There you have it, folks. You've successfully withdrawn your Litecoin from Binance to MetaMask. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading. See you in the next one.